How to add audio on your videos in KineMaster app. Adding audio on your KineMaster videos, it is quite simple. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to head over to this, and then you'll see we have audio option here, and then go ahead and tap on it. From here you can see we have quite a number of audio that you can use, such as music, short music, sound effects, recordings, as well as songs. For instance, if you want music, you can just select music. If you want short music, you can also choose this option. And you can see we have a list of free and paid music that you can use. So scroll down until you see the music that you want to play, and then once you have identified it, you can tap on it and then listen in to see if it is your favorite. And then once you are okay, just tap on this plus icon to add your music on your timeline. And this will go ahead and add the music on the timeline. And from here, now you can align your music with the video by dragging it like that. And then you can also come to the end here and also shorten it so that it aligns with your video track. There we go. It has been added. Now from here, you are good to go. So if you want to add sound effects, you can as well do the same on your videos. So that's how you add audio on your videos using KineMaster app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.